In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a picture from a Microsoft Word document. Saving an image from a Word file is something many people need to do, whether for presentations, reports, or personal use. Fortunately, there are simple methods you can use, and I'm going to walk you through them clearly so you can choose the one that works best for you. First, open the Microsoft Word document that contains the picture you want to save. Once the document is open, locate the image. The easiest method is to copy and paste the picture into an image editing program. Click on the picture to select it, then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. After copying the image, open the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on the Paint application to open it. Once Paint is open, press Ctrl and V to paste the image into the workspace. With the image now inside Paint, click on File in the top left corner and choose Save As. Select the format you prefer, such as PNG or JPEG. Then choose the folder where you want to store the file, give it a name, and click Save. Your image is now saved as a separate picture file on your computer. There is another method you can use if you prefer to extract images through file saving. Go back to your Word document and click on File. Choose Save As, then select the location where you want to save the file. In the File Type options, choose PDF as the format and save the document. Once saved, you will have a new file with the name you selected. Depending on your system settings, saving the document this way may generate additional files or allow you to access the images through the saved version. This approach can be helpful if you are working with documents that contain multiple images. Both methods are simple and effective. The copy and paste method is usually the quickest when you only need one image, while saving the file in a different format can be useful in certain situations. By following these steps, you can easily extract and save pictures from any Microsoft Word document for reuse or sharing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.